In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to delete your Domo AI account. Now, this process is not entirely straightforward, so we'll go through each step in detail to ensure you have a clear understanding of how to complete this task. To start, you'll need to navigate to the Domo AI website, open up your web browser, and type in the website address, which is www.domoai.app. Once the page loads, ensure you're logged into your account. If you're not logged in, go ahead and enter your login credentials to access your account. Once you're logged in, and on the home page, look towards the top of your screen and find the option labeled My Profile. This section is typically easy to spot, but if you're having trouble, check the main navigation menu, often located at the top or along the side of the page. Go ahead and click on My Profile. This click will take you to a dedicated page with your personal account details. Next, locate and click on the section that is highlighted on your account page. This step might seem a bit vague, but what you're looking for is an element that stands out, likely a tab or button that is designed to catch your attention. The exact wording might differ slightly, so keep an eye out for any prominent sections that pertain to account settings or options. After you've successfully navigated to this part of the website, you should see an option to Contact Support. Click on this option. Now here's where we encounter a minor roadblock. Domo AI doesn't provide a direct option to delete your account within the usual account settings, but don't worry, as there is an alternative method available to achieve this. In the contact support section, you'll have the opportunity to communicate directly with the support team. What you need to do here is send them a request to have your email disconnected from Domo AI. This step is crucial because once your email is unlinked, it effectively results in the removal of your account from their services. Now, it's worth noting that you should clearly articulate your request to the support team. Be specific that you wish to disconnect your email due to wanting to delete your account. Include any relevant details if prompted, but keep them concise. And there you have it. By following these steps, you can successfully request the deletion of your Domo AI account. Be patient, as it may take some time for support to process your request, but they should get back to you confirming the disconnection. Thank you for watching, and I hope this guide has been helpful.